In the 60s, the artwork for Matchbox toys had a very illustrative style. The images usually portrayed the toys in real-world settings or pictured them with young children at play. Imagine the covers for the Saturday Evening Post and a Norman Rockwell type of look. There were exceptions, but the scenes were generally fairly static without much movement. The wheels could roll, of course, but not too freely. A typical car or truck might have wheels that looked like this. But beginning in 1970, a revolution took place. SuperFast wheels were introduced. The tires now spun freely and toys could shoot from across tabletops, hardwood floors, and even driveways. The artwork changed to reflect this new mobility. Energized brushstrokes and pencil lines conveyed movement throughout all of the packaging, advertisements, and catalogs. The SuperFast line continues today. Some 1970s models have been reissued while contemporary vehicles have been given retro-style packaging. Quality die-cast toys mixed with a little bit of nostalgia seem to work well when selling, buying, or collecting Matchbox vehicles.